Mama's got her babies out today. She was nursing them all out here until I come and fed her. But as y'all see, Mama's doing really good, healthy. Still has all 4 babies. She's very gentle with them. But yep, they're all up running around. They're actually a day old. Such cute little spellers. I don't know the sex of them yet. But as soon as I find out, I'll do a video on them. And yes, they will be looking for new forever homes when it's time. But they're so cute. I love them. And then I'll show y'all Dad as soon as I get down here. And this is Dad. This is Wilbert. And this little guy's 7 months old. We rescued him. He's a cutie. But this is Dad. And here's all the goats, all my little bottle babies. They're all doing good. And then our dog that stays in here with them, Simba. But they're all doing good. Our rooster, one of many. The rest are all out in the woods. Oh, nope, Toby's down here. And then my little free-ranging little pigeon, Tina. She just hangs around with her roosters. Huh, Tina? Huh, Tina girl? And then these are all our girls in this big old pen. These are all our girls. There's a lot of girls up in here. And then this is a hen and a rooster in here. Where you going, Tina? You running away? I know, because the dog's here. And she started laying some eggs, so we're hoping she'll go broody on them once she lays some more. And then we got Tyson and Shakira O'Neal over here. My husband named these 2 birds. These were my sons, and then we took them in. We take all his birds, like Toby over there. Oh, here's Red. Red just stays off by himself. He's still young yet, though, but he's pretty. Hi, Red. Hi, Red. Hi, buddy. What you doing? What you doing, buddy? Are you just chilling? Huh? He's real pretty, y'all. He's such a pretty bird. And then there's like 3 or 4 more roosters. But they're out here in our woods. They only come when it's feeding time. And this is a big old nesting box that me and my husband built. And all our hens laying there. Louise, Pinky, Marcia, Bonzi, and Cindy in the back. Hey, pretty girls. Pretty boy. Y'all ate your food already. You's a bunch of little hoggy butts. You eat a lot. Daddy said, Daddy said I overfeed you guys. So I can't sneak you no more snacks. Sorry. Look at all the little piggies. They're trying to keep warm because Mama's not in the coop with them in that hay. But they'll be alright. She'll take them in there. She's a good mama. What you doing, big old boy? What you doing, big boy? Buddy. What you doing, big boy? You mad because you locked up today. And then they're all my little dogs and my new puppy. Chewy! She's a brute. And we did add bunnies. Lion heads to our little farm homestead. And there's Mama. Her babies are up top. And then this one's going to have babies soon. Can't wait. Excited. And then this is our male meat rabbit in here. We need a female to go with him. Because we are gonna raise some meat rabbits. But I'll show you all the little babies we have, and they're gonna go to their new homes this weekend. And that's Mama that's trying to hop out on me here. Get in, ladies. There's one baby, two babies. And then up there's the third one, and then the fourth one's over there in the corner. Aren't they cute, y'all? They are so pretty. Hi, bunnies. Hi, bunnies. Hi, little ones. Hi, little ones. There's the other little baby. Y'all just so cute. Y'all just so cute. Yes, y'all just so pretty. All right, let me close the lid before these two want to come out. So that's our little farm and homestead and that type deal. Very overfed animals, as my husband would say I do. I just think they're healthy. They're not overfed, not at all. What you doing, Chevy? Mama's boy. What you doing, Mama's boy? What you doing? Rex. You go get in your house. And we added this little girl to our little farm and homestead, and her name's Chewy. She's a little hyper right now. Gotta keep on her. And there's my little Corvette, which is gonna be a mommy soon. Yeah, you're gonna be a mommy soon. Alright, that's all I got today, guys. Have a nice day. God bless.